Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Banjo-Kazooie. To begin your adventure, you'll control Banjo, a bear, and Kazooie, a bird, as a duo. Your primary goal is to collect Jiggies, golden jigsaw pieces, and musical notes scattered across 9 vibrant worlds. Start by exploring Mumbo's Mountain to get a feel for their basic movements and abilities, like jumping and pecking. This initial world serves as an excellent training ground for your journey. As you progress, you'll unlock more advanced moves crucial for exploration and combat. Kazooie's beak barge allows you to attack enemies head-on, while the Talon Trot provides a faster way to traverse terrain. Look for shock spring, pads to reach high ledges, and flight pads to soar through the air. Mastering these combined abilities, like Banjo's roll followed by a beak buster, will make navigating the expansive worlds much more efficient and rewarding. Collecting is key to advancing in Banjo-Kazooie. Each of the 9 main worlds contains 100 musical notes. Gathering these unlocks new areas within Gruntilda's lair. Additionally, you'll need to find 10 Jiggies in each world to open the next level. Don't forget to collect Mumbo tokens, which allow the Shaman Mumbo Jumbo to transform you into various creatures, granting access to previously unreachable locations and solving unique puzzles. Boss battles are a significant part of your adventure. To succeed, carefully observe each boss's attack patterns to anticipate their moves and find openings. Utilize Banjo and Kazooie's full range of abilities, such as the beak bomb or egg firing, to inflict maximum damage. Before engaging, ensure you have collected plenty of red feathers for flight and golden feathers for invincibility, along with extra health honeycombs, to give yourself the best chance at victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.